agpa-shoutout ka kabsat, may comment nyo lang dyan yung comment section. Di kita mayat nga sumali kada iti pag-games tayo madamdama. I-share tayo lang dati live streaming tayo. Tapno makita dati share badge. Ayan. Comment kayo lang kabsat. Dapat dati share badge yo. Di kita agpa-shoutout. Comment lang. Ayan. Habang ag-uray tayo ti viewers kung kita agpa-shoutout kakabsat sagutan da kay mampay ti kanta. May isa nga sonata. Here's a song from Zia Kizon. Maghanap ka ng maaaya pagkasadyang wala kang magawa. Nagsasayang ng bawat oras sa wala halam. Nag-search mo ng lahat sa internet, naubos ang load sa kakatext. Naghihintay ka lang na may makukulit. What are you waiting for? Call my number, knock on my door. Nandito lang ako. How I wish you let me know. Yeah. Sino pa tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang naman ako. At kung saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako. Ako na lang. Sana tayo na lang dalawa. Sana'y malaman mo pala ako na lang. Sana ako na lang kung pwede lang, I wish. Ako na lang, I guess. Ako na lang ang paborito mo, miss. Oh yes. Hindi ko babasagin ang iyong tray. Whatever man ang gusto mong hingin, sabay sa daming at kaduet mo. Sige, I stay. What are you waiting for? Call my number, knock on my door. Nandito lang ako. How I wish you'd let me know. Yeah. Alright, that was something from Zia Quizon. Ayan. Nakadating pa shoutout din. Shoutout. Happy anniversary, sabi ni Tess Ikari. Sino pa ang may anniversary, ma'am? Ate pa shoutout, Kerubin family, Toy Nagilian, Kawayan, from Catalina, Lopez, Kerubin. Ayan, shoutout sa inyong lahat, sa Kerubin family. Yes, top fun. Ayan, may nagpapakita ng share badge. Ayan, mabuti naman, di ba? 2 weeks ng walang nagpapakita ng share badge. And gandang tanghali po, shoutout naman po sa mga nanonood ngayon sa Miwengti Distrito. Sabi ni Ma'am Levy Palad. Ayan, shoutout. Shoutout sa Pano Family of Barangay Pandayan, San Juan, Ilocos Sur. Thank you po. Sabi ni Ma'am Jennifer Mendoza Pano. Shoutout ading KK, sabi ni Ma'am Claire Rodrigo Inofinada. Ayan, mag-shoutout ka muna. Ayan, bago ko sila pagsalitahin, ayan, gusto ko nga palang ipakilala yung mga kasama ko ngayon. Si Louie. Hi, Louie. O, ayan, doon, gamitin mo yung mic mo.
Hi po.
Ayan, baka may gusto kang batiin.
Ayan.
Huwag ka mahiya. Tayo lang naman nandito. Sige, shoutout ka muna. Oh, shoutout.
Ayan, shoutout daw kay Mika Rabino.
Ayan, shoutout sa'yo, Mika. Ano pa? Marami pa. Hi po, sabi ni Rico Flores. Ayan. Good afternoon po. Shoutout naman po mga Naval and Torres family dito sa Labnig, San Juan. Oh, thank you. Sabi ni Ma'am Naval, Rose Ann. Ayan. And ito nga pala yung kasama namin na isa pa. Si Ivan, wala kang mic. Hello, Ivan.
Hello guys.
Baka gusto mong mag-shoutout muna.
Binabati ko lang yung mama at papa ko.
Wow, family-oriented. Ayan, nice. Sabi ni Julius Cesar para sa yan. Shoutout, amiga, sabi ni amigo Juderick Valdez. Shoutout sa iyo, amigo. And sa Amigos Riders Club Philippines, ayan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat, mga amigos. Ayan. Ayan, from sa akin and sa ating founder na si Amigo Bob. Ayan, shoutout daw sa inyo. Kumusta daw kayo? Ayan, magparamdam daw kayo sa group chat, mga amigos. Shoutout kay, sabi ni Christina Villanueva Tapuro. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo. Ayan, shoutout po, sabi ni, ano to? Kieng. Kleng. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo, guys. Okay. Lagi tayo mayat nga makisali apo. Kakapsat lagi tayo may nga makisali ti. Pag-games tayo. Dapat i-share tayo dati live stream. No, qualified kayo kasi dagpakita nga sharer ko na nandiyan. Can i-follow you pa yan iti page tayo nga Kakapsat channel. Kakapsat. Please like our page and share this live stream. Tapno at ti sumali. Ken makipagragsak kanya tayo itangal daw. Ayan, daming nagpapa-shout out. Ayan, shout out sa Lopez family ng Pangada Santa Catalina, ate. Thank you, sabi ni Catalina Lopez Kerubin. And shout out po kanya, sabi ni Angeles Ciruno from Cabugao. Shout out sa iyo, Angeles Ciruno. Ayan, pa-shout out po kay Jenica Piros from Magsinga. Sabi ni Jenica, hi Jenica, kamusta ka? Ayan, ang dami. Shout out din kay Ate Claire Rodrigo Inofinada. Ayan, sabay tayo ayam kumata kami pa sa gabasit. Habang aguroray tayong umadati viewers tayo. At 44,000 viewers tayo. Ang dami. Sana mas dumami pa. So, here's a song from Gabriel. mo ka dito nga sonata kakabsat sumabay kay latan no nutayan yun no da kay manta panganan da kita kwartuyo kumanta kay latan. Knew the signs wasn't right. I was stupid for a while, swept away by you, and now I feel like a fool, so confused. My heart's bruised. Was I ever loved by you? Out of reach, so far. I never had your heart. Out of reach, couldn't see we were never meant to be. Catch myself from despair. I could drown if I stay here. Keeping busy every day. Oh, I will be okay. But I was so confused. My heart's bruised. Was I ever loved by you? Out of reach, so far. I never had your heart. Out of reach, couldn't see we were never meant to be. So much hurt, so much pain, takes a while to regain what is lost inside. Yet I hope that in time you'll be out of my mind. I'll be over you. But now I'm so confused. My heart's bruised. Was I ever loved by you? Out of reach, so far. I never had your heart. Out of reach, couldn't see we were never meant to be. Out of reach, so far. You never gave your heart. In my reach, I can see there's a life out there for me. Well, that was from Gabriel. Ayan. Hi guys, pa-shout out naman po sa mga kasama ko dito. Kevin and Ma'am Jack, sabi ni Leans A. Vallador. Ayan, shout out sa inyo guys. And pa-shout out po, watching from Hong Kong, sabi ni Angie. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo. Kabugaw lang ang malakas, ading ko kay, sabi ni Ate Claire Rodrigo Inofinada. Ayan. Ayan, shout out sa iyo ate, maraming salamat. Ready kayo kakabsat? Ready kayo kakabsat para name that tune? Ayan, mga bakiso na 100 peso load. Yes. Okay, ready kayon? Ready kayon? Hello, Kay. Sabi ni Kuya Alan James Sabrana. Hello, Kuya. Name the tune. Name the tune. Name the tune. Okay na ba, Mr. Scorer? Alam niyo to, guys. Okay na ba? Nangagyo, kakabsat? Awampay, awampay. Una-unahan, 100 peso load. Maminsampay. Tatno mangegda. Ay! Ada nag-comment din nga mawampay. Di nakaala. Once again. Okay, ada na nga baken. May nanalo na. Alright. Ayan, congratulations kay Ate Claire Rodrigo Ainofinada. If I let you go, sabi niya. Wow, sana all. Sana all, oh. Kinumpleto pa niya by Westlife, sabi niya. O, sige. Agure kayo pa lang kakabsat ha. Kantaan na kayo pa'y. Sige tayo mayat nga. Sumali ti pag-games tayo standby. Okay? Ayan, nagkanta pa lang ni Kabsat Louie. Ayan. Nakadaduti na ganser. Pero congratulations ulit kay Ate Claire Rodrigo na pinala. Yes. Standby kayo palang kakabsat. Standby. Dagi tayo maya nga sumali iti pag-games tayo. Here's a song from Ben and Ben.
Hey, have you ever
Ah.
tried really reaching out for the other side? Maybe climbing on rainbows, but baby, here goes. Dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if you wonder what this song is leading to, I want to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. No, you don't know me well. And every little thing only time will tell. Do you believe the things that I do? And we'll see it through. Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one that I like to help me through, I'd like to make
gwapo ko na ni Ate Claire Rodrigo Inofinada. Wow! Sana all. Gwapo ka kano. Sorry, taken na siya.
You should know that dreams are for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. 'Cause I really think that we could make it, girl.
Alright, that was something from Bread. Ayan, revived by Ben and Ben. Alright. Ready kayo kakabsat para iti sumaranong nga pa-games tayo? Mga bakisuna iti 100 peso load. Unaunahan. Ayan. Mangtad kayo man nga rod apo iti may nga project, accomplished project ni Congressman D.V. Saveliano. Misa nga accomplished. Datay nalpasan kakabsat. Ayan, ayan. First, dito sa Ilocos First District. Ayan. Proyekto nga nalpasan iti, ayan, meron na. Ayan, wala tayong sinabing specific na place. Ayan, okay na yan. Ayan, congratulations sa ating amigo. Hi, amigo! Congratulations! Kay amigo Juderic Valdez. Sana all. Sabang Baywalk, sabi niya. Sabang Baywalk, lahat yung sinasabi nila. Ang sikat talaga ng Sabang Baywalk. Sana makapunta din ako doon. Taga-Kapugaw, nakapunguman na mapanjay. Diversion Road, Bantay, San Ildefonso. Ayan. Congratulations kay amigo Juderic. Ayan. Sana all my load. CNL. Ayan, to claim your prize, lagi tayo nangabak kakabsat get, i-PM nyo iti messenger, iti kabsat channel, i-PM nyo. Nag-j numbers yun. Ken ibagayo nga nakay tinangabak. And kan dapat ati share batch. Ay damela share batch na di ka idada. Sana all. Ayan, sagutan na tayo kano iti kanta ni Kapsat Ivan. Hi, Ivan. Ay, di pa bebe ka matanda.
Shy type.
Ay, shy type ka? Sana all. Shy type. Naka-type ako. So here's a song from Rico Blanco.
Yes. You tell me something when the rain falls on my face, and how do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile? You tell me something when I'm feeling tired and afraid. How do you know just what to say to make everything alright? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You tell me something when I'm about to lose control. And how do you patiently hold my hand and gently calm me down? You tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. Why do I always photograph my heart flying way above the clouds? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
And shout out kay President Darwin Rondaris and Jojit Casilio Arcebal from Samahang Ilocano, Sinai Chapter. Hi Tito Darwin and hi Tito Jojit. Ayan. Ayan. Hi daw sabi ni Sir Bong Yadaw or Yadsi. Shout out sa inyo.
Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. All right, thank you so much.
Wah. Your universe.
Wow.
Wah. Ayan. Hi ma'am, paglit naman po ang birthday girl. Si Miss Joanna Mercado Ilar. Thank you. Sabi ni Ma'am Jenny Jaramillo Tavera. And happy birthday po. Happy birthday kay Ma'am Joanna Mercado Ilar. Ayan, pa-games, pa-games. Okay, pa-games. Ready, Mr. Scorer? Name that tune na po. Name that tune. Dapat kita share badge. Tapos nung qualified
Yes.
kayo, share badge. Yes. Name that tune kakabsat dumngag nga nalaing. Nagyudi kakabsat, okay na ba? Ako pa yung nag-answer.
Isa
Isa pa. One more time. Ayan, may nanalo na. congratulations kay Jackson Salapari. Ayan. Si title na Phuket, Miss You Like Crazy, Awanti
Awanti
Aina.
Aina. Sayang.
Sayang ni
Ma'am Jennifer.
Ma'am Jennifer
Yan.
Mendoza. Paano? Sayang. Walang ay yun,
Walang
ma'am.
ay.
Ayan, ang daming nagko-comment ng may ay. I miss you like crazy. Tsaka ano, dapat correct spelling, guys.
Yes.
Wag, bawal po yung ano, yung shortcut lang.
Shortcut
Oo.
lang na words.
Dapat buo, kumpleto, ganun. Love moves in mysterious ways.
Yan. Hi, ma'am, sir. Pag-greet naman po ang birthday girl, Miss Joanna Mercado, Ilar. Yan.
Happy birthday! Ayan. Ayan. Dahil dyan, may pa-birthday song kami. Wala
Yeah.
kaming ano eh. Wala tayong may bibigay na cake. Kantahan na lang natin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Joanna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday ulit, Ma'am
Ayan,
Joanna
happy
Mercado.
birthday, Joanna.
Yes.
Ayan, thank you po, sabi ni Joanna, wala awis punta. Joanna, gawis ka man. Taganap tayo Shanghai.
Target lock no ba?
Target lock. Shanghai. Baka naman. Happy birthday ulit. Ilang taon ka na? Parang true. Isa pa nga yung wow. Wow pala yun. Wow. Ayan. Congratulations. And, ayan. Ay, oo nga. Birthday pala ni Riker ngayon. Happy
Yes,
birthday
happy
kay Riker.
birthday.
Ang apo ni Congressman DP. Ayan. Kam siya mga ate kuya. Oo. Ayan. Ang bunsong anak
Anak ni
ni
Ryan.
Governor Ryan Singson. Happy birthday, Riker. Ayan, kam siya mga ate kuya. Taga-ano kayo? May kami dumayon no kwa.
Dati ni Louie, napiksa ti punsyon no.
Hoy. Papada tayo lang. Lechon. Nagayon-gaon. Lechon.
Nag-aabang ti lechon.
Ayan. Ayan. So here's another song. Sabay tayo nga agpay-ayam ulit. Ayan, nagkanta na pa eh. Masulit. Masulit ang pagkanta. And here's a song from The Sound. Baby, you'll soon forget about us. Baby, you miss me like I do. One thing's for sure, I'm tattooed on my mind, and I can't get you out of my dreams. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind. You're tattooed. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind. You're tattooed. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind. You're tattooed. Yes, I know you're tattooed on my mind. You're tattooed. Oh, di ba? May pa-fade effect. Alright, maraming salamat po sa mga pumapalakpak si Ate Clear. Shout out man kay Mang Benji, tumamaw man ang
Yeah.
sabi ni Jomar
Shout out.
Braceros. Jomar Ray Braceros. Ayan, oh, what's in the box? Magkano ang price nito? 200 peso load. Oh, di ba? Pang normal skin. Normal skin. What's in the box na tayo? 200 peso.
Okay daw.
Eh, what's in the box? Ayan, magbigay tayo ng clue. Ito po ay nagagamit ng tao araw-araw.
Oh.
Lalo na pag lumalabas.
Sabi ni Mika Rabino, keychain.
Hindi.
Hindi po.
Ayan, isa pang clue. Ayan, toothbrush, sabi ni Samantha Margo. Ayan.
Face
Oo.
mask.
Ang mahal naman ang toothbrush mo.
Alcohol.
Ano pa ba? Ito ay ginagamit ng lalaki. Panlalaki to eh. Ayun. Bigay ko na lang yung yung clue na kung anong kasari, anong gumagamit na ito.
Oo.
Ginagamit ng lalaki. Oo.
Na,
Clue number 3, nakakadagdag ng
Oo,
pogi
pogi
points.
points.
Oo, di ba? Gumagamit kayo nito, no?
de,
Ay, hindi. Ikaw. Hindi rin. Parang hindi kayo mga hindi daw sila gumagamit
dati
nito.
gumagamit kami ng ganyan.
Ay, pero ngayon,
Wala. Bagong buhay.
wow. Buhay. Uy. Ayan, wax, hair
Hair
wax,
wax.
salamin, suklay, Rexona. Hindi na kayo nagre-Rexona, guys. Nakakadagdag talaga yung ng
Sabi
pogi
nga,
points
bench
pag
Play-Doh.
Parang
Ayan, puro
parang hindi ka
puro-
naman narinig yata.
Puro face shield, shade.
Face shield, belt bag, cap, mask, razor.
Razor.
Ano yung razor mo, te?
Baka kakalbuhin.
Ginagamit to araw-araw. Wallet, Gemma, hindi. Hindi. Ayan, fourth clue. Fourth clue, ito, minsan mabango, minsan mabaho.
Oo.
Oh, di ba?
Ba-
Minsan
bakit ma-
masangsang yung amoy.
Ah.
Pag nasasobrahan, di ba? Talaga. Magbagong buhay ka na. Tumahanin mo na yung sinasabi mo. Magbagong buhay ka na. ha?
Pulbo.
Pulbo, relo,
pulbo.
sunglasses. Hindi. Headset.
Sa bagay, yung sunglasses, nakakabango yan eh. No?
Ay,
Diba?
nakakabango ba? Paano?
Pag sinusuot mo, nagmumukha kang
Bango.
mabango.
Mukha lang, pero... Ayan, perfume. Oo! Perfume po ito, pero dapat... Ano ba? Parang ang hirap naman to. Ayan. Perfume po ito, pero dapat may brand name.
Si ano?
Ayan, si Mika
Si Mika,
Rabino.
oo. Siya yung unang
At
nagsabi
saka
ng
si
perfume.
Jennifer. Hindi ba to perfume? Oo,
Oo.
dapat.
Eh, Oo.
Oo.
Need ng brand, tsaka ano yung name ng perfume.
Aficionado perfume. Hindi. Ay,
Aba,
bench spray.
meron
Bench
nagsasabi
spray.
ng
Ay,
ano.
malapit na. Malapit na. May brand name at saka, may pangalan kasi to eh.
Oo.
May pangalan, may signature. Signature na perfume. Ayan, bench perfume. Bench perfume. Ayan,
Malapit na kayo dyan sa bench perfume.
Bench cologne. Oh, meron yung mga daily scents. Oh, di ba?
Oo.
Bench, aficionado, adobado.
Gutom ata si mama.
Gutom yata si Ma'am Jenny eh. Aficionado. Adobado. Ayan, aficionado perfume. Bench perfume. Hindi.
Bench body cologne, hindi.
Bench cologne, hindi.
Pero malapit na sa bench. Oo.
Ayan,
Bench
wala pa pong
spray
nakakatama. Medyo malapit na. Ayan. Calvin Klein. Hindi. Ayan,
Ito social naman ang mga to.
Oo nga eh. Ayan.
A5 bench perfume. Mali po.
Hindi. Bench. So in love. Ayan, malapit na. Pero ano, panlalaki to ah.
Oo, panlalaki.
Wow. CK. Wow, sana all naka Calvin Klein. Ano to? Signature na perfume ito ng isang napakagwapong actor. Oh. Wow! Ayan, crush na crush ko to kahit na medyo matanda na may anak at asawa na siya.
Papalag pa rin.
So talaga magbagong buhay ka na talaga. Atlantis Bench Perfume. Nope. Ay, Daily Scent
Daily
Bench
Scent.
Perfume. Hindi. Malapit na. Ano to? Signature perfume ito ng Filipino actor. Wow. Isa pa. Filipino actor. Ang tagal. Tignan mo naman. Naglalag. Bench Pure Passion
Ulala.
Perfume, hindi. David Perfume, hindi.
Bench Mateo perfume. No.
Hindi. Bench ay rock bench. Hindi. Ano to? Medyo mahirap kasi.
Oh, kahit
Sabihin
yung-
ko na lang yung ano. Kung ilang letters. Yung pangalan lang ah. Yung name ng ano.
nung
4 letters. Bambini Cologne. Meron pa bang Bambini ngayon?
meron pa rin. Hindi, meron pa rin yan. Siyempre.
Meron pa.
Oo, meron pa.
Ako nga yung pabango ko Juicy Cologne. What? Pang pabebe lang. Ganun. Pang pa-girl lang. Hugo Boss, hindi. Ang mamahal naman ng mga pabango niyo, mga sir. Bench Hunk Perfume. Ding Dong Dantes Desired. Ay, malapit na! Ano to? Kaharap din ni Ding Dong to. Medyo ka-level niya. Ay!
Ay,
Malapit na! Malapit na. 4 letters. Bench po ito, bench.
Bench.
Bench
4
po
letters
ito.
yung ano.
4
yung
letters lang ang
pangalan
nung
nung mismong perfume.
Oo. Bench ito bench. Panlalaki. Sabihin natin, yung box niya is
Silver.
Silver and
green.
green.
Yan.
Coco Martin perfume. Nope. Hugo. Nope.
Meron pa
Mamahal
kanina.
naman.
Ang lapit na nung
Oo
kanina
nga,
eh.
oo.
Wala pa
Ayan,
nakakahula.
Wala pa. Ano kaya? Ano kaya? Calm
Calm
potion.
potion.
Wow! May calm potion pa nga. Ito ang itsura niya. Ito yung itsura niya. Hindi ko muna ipapakita. Wala kayong makikita.
Wala kang makikita. Ay, merong nanalo. Meron na.
Ay, walang share batch.
Sayang.
Sayang, dapat may share batch. Dali.
sayang.
Ay, meron na.
Meron na.
Yan, meron na. Nanalo na si
Ernesto
Jaramillo.
Jaramillo.
Yes, ito po. Ayan. Guts or Goods?
Goods
Ayan.
perfume.
Goods by Richard Gutierrez Bench.
Oh, sayang si
Oo.
Sir John Paul.
Sayang si Sir John Paul, syempre.
Share batch, oo.
Sayang.
Better luck next time.
Pero congratulations pa din kay Sir Ernesto Jaramillo.
Yes.
May 200 peso load na po
Oo.
kayo.
Kay Sir John Paul, mag-share ka na para sa
Oo.
next game.
May next game pa. Oh, medyo natagalan tayo doon. Direk, huwag kang magalit ha. Ikaw yung naglagay nito. Direk, huwag kang magalit kung medyo natagalan tayo ha. Oh, paki-change na lang to. Ayan, kanta muna tayo. Ayan, kakanta muna si Ivan. And congratulations sa mga nananalo. Ayan, to claim your prize. Ayan, Sir John Paul, mag-share ka na ngayon. Wala ka pang share badge. Oh, hindi ka pa nag-share. Watching from Frances Ramas. Ano? Watching from Frances Ramaso.
Ito isa lumagi.
Ayan, dito sa Lumagi. From Frances. Ayan, shout out kay Frances May. Mata Ramazo. Ayan.
So, it's a song from Mark Carpio.
And to claim your prizes, ayan, i-PM lang ang Kabsa Channel Messenger.
I've loved you and only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time to feel this feeling I had inside. You're a hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a plane, memorizing each line. I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. All the time. I have loved you and I will always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I had for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, and here I am, struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. the time. All the time. Alright, thank you so much.
Alright. Ayan, adda ba nang awakin ate, sabi ni Jennifer Mendoza pa. Adda na nga bakin ani. Ayan, medyo nakasot sa internet mo sis. Tapno mga bak kayo kakabsat, dapat kay bigyan na pardas kayo ti internet. Inunaan talaga. And, hi Ate Kay, sabi ng kapatid ko. Ayan na. Hello Dandan, mangkan. Minsan kasi nagsa-cellphone na lang ginagawa niya, nakakalimutan na niyang kumain. And sana manalo ako na ubos na po yung napanalunan ko last week. Ay, last week wala nang supply ng load. Sabi ni Samantha Marco, sana all, Samantha. Mangibingay ka mo't Mangpabingay ka mo't Alright, pag-games muna tayo. And then, ayan, pag-games muna. And then, mag-break kami after ng games. Okay? Mr. Scorer, ready na ba? Name that tune mananalo ng 100 peso load. 100 ba? Yes, 100 daw. Name that tune. Ayan. Dapat yung title at saka yung original na original na gumawa ng song. Ayan. Ay, pakinggan na lang nila. Ayan, title. Ayan. Wait lang po. Ayan, sana okay na yung bench kanina. Ayan, may ano po kasi, nakadepende po kasi sa akin kasi ako po yung nagpapagames. Ayan. Oo. Hindi, kasi ano daw, yung okay na lang daw sana yung bench kanina na answer niya, pero hindi. Ayan, dapat, sinabi ko naman po kanina na dapat specific. Oo, may mechanics po tayo. Yes, and kung sino man pa ang unang pumasok sa aking monitor, siya po yung tatawagin kong nanalo. Okay? Ayan. Okay, ready na po, Mr. Scorer? Ayan, title at saka yung composer. Okay, title na lang daw. Okay. Okay, title na lang daw. Natawa ako. Share Babaya. Hindi. Nanalo na po si... Ayan. May ano ka na naman. May supply ka na naman. Samantha. Ayan, congratulations kay Samantha. River flows in you. Congratulations. Di malilimutan. Nisip ko kung bakit. Ayan, congratulations kay Samantha. Ayan, break muna tayo. Ayan, break muna and then tuloy-tuloy ang kasiyahan. Good breath.
Escuela de Ilocos.
Actually a training ng bread making dito sa La Escuela de Ilocos Training Institute. So 10 days na training siya, including 3 days na entrepreneurship training.
Dito yung nga project, iti education, iti La Escuela de Ilocos na pinapunduan ni Apo, Congressman D.B. Apo. Nakadakkel na opportunity, tahan tayon nga mapanen Apo, DJ mismo eskwela, nukan umay tapayan Apo, idanon, iti tulong, iti gobyerno.
Opisina ng Congressman Isabeliano, haan nga agtaltal na at pampanunod no na pwede iti pagkasapulan ken pagsayatan iti Premier Distrito.
So for today, ang recipe na gagawin nila is Spanish bread. So Spanish bread is a typical bread, Filipino bread, which consists of a filling, and it is usually rolled and covered with breadcrumbs. So we will use our basic ingredients, which is bread flour, yeast, sugar, eggs, and powdered milk. So, and then we will also use the filling. So in filling naman, we will use butter, powdered sugar, and powdered milk.
Napateg para iti congressman iti umuna a distrito ti Ilocos Sur nga ni Kong D.V. Savillano nga may paay dagiti kasapulan iti distrito nga inam masakupan aglalo iti may panggep iti edukasyon. Isu nga ti programa iti CHED nga tulong-dunong program ket tuloy-tuloy nga tutukan ket tartrabawen nga mapunduan tapno iti kasta ket maited kadagiti eskolar iti distrito uray pay iti madama nga pandemya nga COVID-19. Idilaing kalman napan iti opisina ni Kong D.V. Savillano iti ili ti kawayan para personal nga ited kadagiti scholar dagiti check allowance para kadakwada.
Sapay ko makatulong ko maningisinan. Congratulations, Madam.
Thank you.
sa channel, ket adamanen ipaina. Ngayon tayo paglinglingayan, iti tiyempo iti pangaldaw. Awagan tayo datoy, iti samiweng iti distrito. Enjoy!
Alright, welcome back. Iti programa tayo nga sa Miweng iti distrito. Ayan, welcome back kakabsat. Alright. Okay, sabay tayo nga ituloy ti ragragsak nga pinag-iayam. Ayan, sagutan na kayo man timay sa nga sonata. Here's a song from Tones and I. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me there, but I was passing by. Just like to see me there just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. No, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance with me, dance with me, dance with me, oh, oh. Never see anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. You just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. No, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. Now I'll beg to see you dance one more time. So I say, dance with me, dance with me, dance with me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, dance with me, dance with me, dance with me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah, 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 yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I say, dance with me, dance with me, dance with me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again. Alright, that was something from Tones and I. Ayan, favorite song mo siguro yan, ate. Ayan, medyo lang. Alright, hello, sabi ni Sir JM Asena. Hi, Sir JM! Ayan, isa sa mga napakabait na staff ng ating congressman. Ayan. Hello sa mga staff. Ayan. Hello sa mga staff ni Congressman TV Sabaliano, lalo na sa mga, yung mga nasa Kabugaw. Ayan. Sa base. Ayan. Hi sa inyong lahat. Ayan. And hi din nga po pala sa ating mahal na Congressman. Hi, Congressman TV. Hello. And happy birthday kay Riker. Happy birthday! Ayan, pa-games, pa-games. Ayan, name that tune ulit. Ayan. Ayan, guess nyo yung title, okay? Okay na po ba? Mr. Scorer, okay na? Ayan, mananalo po ng 100 peso load. Alright, ayan. This is a Christmas song. Ayan, wala pang nagko-comment. Isa pa ba? Ayan. Christmas song po ito. Araw-araw ay Pasko. Hindi. Ayan, isa pa. Ayan, may nanalo na. Hindi, wala pang nananalo. Isa pa. Isa pa. Wala pang nananalo. Ayan, wala pang nananalo. Marami pa tayong chances. Ayan, kulang po. Yung Pasko, hindi. Ayan, sama-sama ngayong Pasko. Sunrise, hindi. Nailigos ng araw din. Ayan, kurang by Apo. Kurang. Isa pa. Ayan, meron na. Ay, pero... Ayan, congratulations po kay Catalina Lopez Kerubin. Tuloy na tuloy. Ay, hindi! Wrong pa! Ay, okay. Ayan, congratulations kay Ma'am Catalina Lopez Kerubin. Tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang Pasko. Oo. Yes. Congratulations kay Ma'am Catalina. Congratulations po sa inyo. Ayan, dagi tayo na nga baka po i-chat yung laing, i-PM yung laing messenger iti kam sa channel. Messenger. Tap na maklaim yung G-Price yun. Alright, tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang Pasko kahit may COVID. And dapat masaya pa din tayo kahit na may pinagdadaanan tayong pandemic. And kung may pupuntahan man kayong mga gatherings, and please always wear your masks and observe social distancing para safe pa din tayo. Congratulations ulit sa mga nananalo, sila Ma'am Catalina Lopez Kerubin. So, here's another song brought to you by Louie.
To stay, but she wouldn't listen. She left before I had the chance to say, oh, the words that were meant, the things that were broken. Now it's far too late, she's gone away. Every night you cry, oh, never get over the noises that you make kept me away. Oh, the weight of the things will remain unspoken. Build up so much it crushes every day. Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? Why does every moment have to be so hard? Hard to believe that it's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right. I made it make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Since it's not over tonight, just give me one more chance to make it right. I made it make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Oh, all those things I felt will never really show. Perhaps the worst is that I can't let you go. Should not ever let you go. It's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right. I made it make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Whoa, since it's not over tonight, just give me one more chance to make it right. I made it make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Yes, I won't go home without you. Yes, I won't go home without you.
Wow! That was a nice song from you,
Maraming salamat
Kuya
po.
Louie. Ayan. Ayan. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung mga kanta ng Maroon 5. Alright, what's in the box ulit? Magkano ang pa-prize natin dito? Ayan, mananalo po siya ng keypad na cellphone. Ayan, what's in the box? Ayan pa, shout out watching from Saudi. I miss Ilocos Sur, sabi ni Ma'am Raquel Dayan. Ayan. Shout out po sa mga nasa Saudi ngayon. Ayan, keep safe po. And hi from Santa Catalina ba to? SCA. Santa Catalina ba to? And hi from Santa Catalina, sabi ni John Joseph Pula. Ayan. Umalat tamet ko na ni Mika Rabino. Lalaingem, parparasam ti kwa, parparasam ti. Ag-type niya, dati ibagbagan niya. Amang pa'y tiklo tayo apo, headset, cellphone, kung kuna namin. Oh, advance ka naman oh, charger, wala pa akong binibigay na clue. Okay, magbigay na tayo ng clue. Gusto mong bigyan? Ayan. Detoy apo get very useful. Lalo no nakadiruar. Manghuhula ka, girl. Wala pa akong sinasabing clue eh. Ito ay very useful lalo na pag emergency. Pag nasa labas ka, dapat may ganito ka lagi. Ako, meron akong ganito lagi sa bag. Pulbo alcohol, hairpin, ballpen, hindi. Ayan, shout out kay Sir Franklin Kerubin. Shout out sa'yo, sir. And practice lang po, haha. And foundation, clue. Ano pa? Ayan, shout out kay Herms of Saudi Arabia. Shout out po sa inyo. Ayan. And hi nga pala kay, kay Ma'am Majo. Ayan, nandito po siya sa studio natin ngayon. Ayan, watch her segment po every Tuesday afternoon, serbisyo. Trabaho kay serbisyo, ayan. Ayan, tinatahak po nila yung mga, ano pa ba? Yung mga, ayan, mga programs and projects ng national government natin. Ayan. Last Tuesday ang, nung Tuesday po, Philippine Crop Insurance Corporation. Ayan. Ayan, gali. Ayan. Ayan, iniimbitahan po namin kayo manood sa Tuesday ng Trabaho ken Serbisyo. Ayan. Ayan. I guess natin ang DOLE next week. Ayan, Provincial Director ng DOLE. Okay, tissue, cellphone, suklay, kating ko. Wow, masyadong tita ka naman, ate. Tita, very tita yung kating ko. Vicks, hindi. Very tito din naman yung Vicks. Ang pambabae kasi ang alam ko is kating ko, palalaki yung Vicks. Wow! Powder to! Hindi. Ano to? Maliit pero nakakasakit din. Oh. Small but terrible, ika nga. Nasakit ngem nasakit. Ay, basit ngem nasakit. Money. Money bag. Pera. Medicine. Medicine. Medicine ba, day? Wait. Oh, may mga iba't ibang sizes ito. May maliit, may medium, medium large, ganon. May sizes to. Oo, nakakasakit talaga. Hindi. Okay. Rosary, pin cushion. Ayan, malapit na. Aspili. Ayan, dapat English. Ayan, may nanalo na! Ayan, back muna tayo, back read. Ayan, may nanalo na! Ay, nanalo na siya. Sa wakas. Ayan, may nanalo na sa wakas. Sa wakas, Mika, nanalo ka! Mika, huwag ka nang umiyak. Mika Rabino. Oh, safety pin. Aspili, Apoy. Pakita yun. Aspili. Okay. Ay, congratulations kay Mika. Ayan, nanalo ka ng keypad na cellphone. Mika Rabino. Ayan, sa mga nanalo po, mag-message na lang po kayo sa Kabsat channel para mag-claim po ninyo yung mga prizes.
are spinning on and on my head, it seems. Leading me back to you. Ooh, I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, find a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that will lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. I'm like, oh, 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 oh. Took a morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. Fate that we can't control. Round and around it goes. Round and around it goes. And all that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. I'm like, oh, 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 oh. So many questions thrown to the skies, and all of the answers I found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far. My weary heart has come to rest in your arms. 'Cause I found my way home. 'Cause I found my way home. 'Cause I found my way home. 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 'Cause I found my way home. I found my way home. I found my way home. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. So I'm like, oh, oh, oh. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. So I'm like, whoa.
Alright, thank you for thank you for staying with us, and maraming salamat po sa mga nakipaglaro sa amin, sa mga saya, and congratulations po sa mga nanalo. Ayan, see you again next week, only here at Sami Weng T Distrito.